In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always appear active on Slack. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website and open your workspace in the browser. This gets you to the familiar Slack interface where you can adjust your status. Once Slack loads, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it to open the Profile and Status menu. In that menu, choose Set Yourself as Active. This immediately switches your status to active. However, keep in mind that Slack can automatically set you to away if it senses no activity for a while. And in some cases, this active setting may only hold for a short time before it reverts. To help your status stay active longer, adjust your computer's power settings so your system doesn't appear idle. On Windows, click the search icon on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. In the search box, type Edit Power Plan, then click the matching control panel result to open your current plan settings. On the Plan Settings page, look for the options that control when the display turns off. You'll see drop-downs for different power modes, typically one for when you're on battery and one for when you're plugged in. Set each of these to Never so your display doesn't turn off automatically. This reduces the chance that your system goes idle and helps Slack keep you marked as active. If you see additional options related to sleep or idle time, make sure they're aligned with keeping the computer awake, but focus on the display setting as shown here. When you're finished, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. A few tips as you do this. Keeping the display from turning off may use more power, especially on a laptop, so you might prefer to apply these changes only when you're plugged in and revert them when you're on battery. You can always return to the exact same menu to restore your original plan settings when you no longer need to appear active for an extended period. Also, some workplaces manage device power policies. If certain options are grayed out, you may need to follow your organization's guidelines. That's it. You've set your Slack status to active and adjusted your power plan to help maintain that status. If this was helpful, take a moment to test it by leaving Slack open for a while and confirming your presence stays active. When you're done for the day, feel free to switch your power settings back to conserve energy.